Give your audience some guidance by adding an interactive map to your next design project. With your design open, click Add Map in the toolbar on the left. You can either find a map by category or simply type in the search bar to choose from over 800 maps available. Once you've found the one you want to use, click Insert or drag and drop it right onto the canvas. To access the map's datasheet, double-click on it or click Edit Data. Each map has placeholders so that you can see what it can look like. Let's start by going over what each column represents. The first one should include the name of the area or the location you want to display, which will depend on the map. In the second column, include the values that you'd like to visualize on the map. For example, with the heat map, you can assign hot and cold colors to your value. The third column is meant for grouping your data entries by color, like this. If you want to display specific locations on the map, you can enter coordinates in the cells of the fourth column here. The labels added in the fifth column will appear whenever a viewer hovers over that area on the map. Lastly, you can use the remaining columns to add text that will appear in the tooltips just like the labels. If you make a mistake or if a location cannot be displayed, you'll see the cell appear in red, like this, so you know exactly what you need to fix. To add your data, simply type directly into the cells or copy and paste it from an external datasheet. If you have an Excel or a CSV file, click on Upload File and add it from your computer. Or click here to connect your chart to a database and source your data from there. And that's how you add a map in Prezi Design. Try it out yourself at Prezi.com.